Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got red-eyed lacquer, the heart, and I've got Maniology and Anchi's nails, M323. And I've already started with Baby Girl Lacquer's Glitter Be Gone. Here is the red-eyed lacquer, the heart. So my green lover and polish loving buddies are going to love this one. It's just it's got flakies in it. You guys know I'm a flaky junkie. I love flakies. And when you put the right flakies with the right base color, ah, yes. All right, so it's pretty sheer on the first coat. It's got an excellent brush, one of my favorites. And here we go with our second coat. And I kind of, I might could have done another one. And I just decided I would. You might could get away with two depending on what you're going to do with your manicure. But the third coat really does help pull it all together and get the opacity right. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I'm going to top it with I&M's Out the Door. And I just thought this one was really unique with that funky green base color and the different colors of shredded like flakies that are in there. Oh, I just thought it was adorable. Adorable. Oh yeah, gonna cap my free edge here. And here is my swatch photo of it on its own. And we'll be using Maniology and Anchi's nails. It is a Maniology plate. It was done in collaboration. And the plate number is M323. And here we go with Kaleidoscope. And it's called First Kiss. Really tricky to find the names on these bottles. But this is like a metallic-y, pinky red kind of color. I'm going to clean that plate off with some acetone and get on in here. I am going to use different images off of this plate. I've been doing that a lot here lately. Basically because I want to use more images and, play with my stuff more. So, putting different ones on, I'm trying to put it on the wrong nail. I've lost my mind. Both of my thumbs don't have polish on because I had to peel off base coat on and I lost my thumbs. So just pay no attention to the man behind the curtain, okay? So here we go. We're going to keep bumping along. That's the risk you take doing peel off base coat. Sometimes they last for me, sometimes they don't. It depends on what I'm doing. Here we go. I'll pick that up. I didn't like the way that picked up. So we're going to clean it off, clean the plate off with some acetone, and do over. We're going to do a do-over. And I remember that being one of the things that helped me with stamping, was realizing just because you got it on the stamper don't mean you have to put it on the nail. So I turned that plate to scrape it from a different angle, and I do believe that's what it needed. So remember that when you're messing with stamping plates, if they're acting crazy and you just can't get it, turn that plate around all the way. I mean, there's 4 different sides you could scrape from, so just, don't let that get to you. Keep, messing with them. Sometimes it's the scraper, sometimes it's the polish. I mean, but a lot of times for me, it's the angle at which I'm scraping, especially if it's a corner image. So here we go with the last one. I gouged that one a little bit. I don't think I'm going to need that little part down at the bottom anyway, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to get my little piece of tape out here and get this excess up that I don't want. And ta-da! There we go. All right. Bling-tastic. I'm going to clean my plate off with some acetone. I like to do all my cleanup as I go along, so that, next time I get it out, it's ready to go. Ready to be played with again. Do the back of the plate, my little stampy mat, my big mat. Because I still managed to make a big mess everywhere. But it's all good, because I'm playing. Alright, get my little scrapey card out. I like to clean it too. Ta-da! I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess polish up off of my skin. Get as much of it as I can. I'm not going to be able to get all of it, but most of it. And that's good. And now we're going to hop out here with our cleanup brush and some acetone. You can use regular nail polish remover for this. It works just fine. I'm just super impatient and I like to make it go fast. And acetone is how it goes fast for me. Got to get up under that fingernail. All around. All right. I am going to put on some of this Baroness X cuticle cream. It's a matte cuticle cream, so it doesn't stay as shiny. So like when you're doing your photos, if you take photos, you don't want that greasy look all around your nails, maybe. I don't. So now that that's done, I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat. You can still see it's a little shiny that around my cuticles, but not too shiny. Not floating in oil. And now I'm going to cover these up with some Poshe top coat. This is my final top coat. The smudge-free top coat is a water-based top coat and will peel or wash off if you don't put a regular top coat on. So here we go with that. And ta-da, we are done. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. Here's it from another angle. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.